Hey everybody, I continue to get ready to ride this bike 550 plus miles to go receive teachings from Mingyur Rinpoche. Now you may be wondering, why am I riding this bike? Well, I'm going to talk more about that in forthcoming videos. In the meantime, getting this bike ready, I've replaced a lot of the drivetrain. It has a new chain, has a new chain ring, and I'm noticing the chain is skipping a little bit. So not surprisingly, it needs a new rear sprocket. So today I'm going to replace that rear sprocket and hopefully have this bike ready to continue winter commuting, as you can see from the pogies I have on the handlebars, in preparation for a long journey. All right, so first step to replace the sprocket is to take the rear wheel off. All right, now that the wheel's off, now to head into the workshop and get that sprocket removed. Now that the wheel's removed, I can start the process of installing the new sprocket. So first step is to remove the shifting mechanism using an internally geared hub. And in future videos, I'll talk more about why I've made that choice. And then what's revealed here is what my father used to call an "Oh Jesus" clip. And the origin of the name "Oh Jesus" clip is that they tend to fly all over the place and make you say, "Oh Jesus, where did that go?" So I'm going to preempt, hopefully, having to crawl around my workshop. Then not 100% the correct tool, but I think close enough to get the job done. All right, I didn't have to say, "Oh Jesus, where did that clip go?" Right here. Now, double check that this is the right part. Sure looks the same. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, and installation is the reverse of disassembly. Time to reinstall the wheel. Making sure I get the disc brake properly aligned, making sure that the shift mechanism is properly aligned, making sure the chain is properly placed. All right, so far so good. I'm going to finger tighten, then bring the bike back to its normal relationship to gravity. Reconnect the shifting mechanism. Then make sure I tighten up the wheel. I'm going to try and avoid having the wheels fall off while I'm riding. The wheel nice and snug. I'm going to check the shifting. I got a new sprocket. Got a whole new drivetrain ready for the trip.